In a major boost to India's military modernization and indigenization push, the Defence Acquisition Council, chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, has cleared capital procurement proposals worth 67,000 crore rupees. The comprehensive package includes indigenous medium-altitude long-endurance drones, advanced mountain radars, autonomous surface vessels, and critical upgrades to air defense and infantry systems. The approvals, granted under the Buy Indian Indigenously Designed, Developed and Manufactured category, are aimed at enhancing operational readiness while aligning with the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative in the defense sector. A key highlight of the package is the acquisition of state-of-the-art medium-altitude long-endurance drones designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. These UAVs, capable of carrying multiple payloads and weapon systems, will be deployed across all three services: Army, Navy, and Air Force. They are expected to significantly bolster India's long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, offering 24/7 situational awareness and extended mission endurance in varied terrains. The competition for these indigenous drones is expected to be intense, with several Indian firms, including Adani Defence, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and Solar Industries Defence subsidiary, vying for the multi-thousand crore contracts. These companies have invested heavily in unmanned aerial technology and are positioned to meet the high demand for such systems domestically and globally. The Defence Acquisition Council has also cleared the procurement of specialized radars optimized for high-altitude and mountainous regions. These systems will provide enhanced surveillance and early warning capabilities along India's northern borders, particularly in areas prone to inclement weather and complex terrain. The Navy is set to benefit from the acquisition of autonomous surface vessels designed for a variety of missions such as mine countermeasures, patrolling, and reconnaissance. These smart, unmanned platforms are expected to strengthen maritime domain awareness and support India's expanding naval footprint in the Indo-Pacific region. Further, the Council has approved upgrades to existing air defense systems, including enhancements to the surface-to-air Python and Darby Spider missile platforms and the integration of new-generation sensors and command systems. Infantry combat vehicles, such as BMPs, will also receive thermal imaging night sights to improve mobility and combat efficiency during nocturnal operations. In addition to new systems, the Defence Acquisition Council sanctioned long-term sustenance contracts for critical platforms such as the C-17 and C-130J transport aircraft, along with maintenance support for the S-400 air defense system, ensuring operational continuity of high-value assets. The 67,000 crore rupees defense approvals have boosted market sentiment, with shares of key players like BAIL and Ideaforge gaining up to 3%, reflecting investor confidence. Defense firms such as Larsen & Toubro, Bharat Dynamics, and Astra Microwave are also expected to benefit significantly, signaling robust prospects for the domestic defense industry. The approvals mark a holistic modernization of India's defense forces across land, air, and sea, ranging from drones and autonomous vessels to infantry enhancements and legacy platform upgrades, bolstering tactical readiness, strategic deterrence, and the nation's pursuit of a self-reliant, technology-driven military.